Today is actually our first full day in Busan. We arrived here last night, but I think we were a bit too hungry to actually start filming anything. So today we're off to Jagalchi Market. We're actually doing one of those tours where we get to cook local food with someone, a local tour guide here. So first off, we're meeting up at Jagalchi Market. They're gonna take us to like the fish markets and everything, and then we head off to cook the food. And after that, this afternoon we'll be spending it at the Gamcheon Culture Village, which is, I think if you've seen like a lot of areas where all the houses are really colorfully based. Entering the market.
And every day early morning has an auction nearby here, there. So everyday price was displayed on this board. So everyday change the price. Yeah.
He's asking us if we want to try the worm. We're going to try the octopus as well. How huge these octopus are. It's a bit quiet right now, but it looks like there's a lot of like street food, more readily able to eat food. MANDU, I think, and then this is the Tteokbokki, and then the fish cake. Okay, we're gonna try the dumplings. Inside it's like, it's okay. It's quite light. And at least like I think the dumpling skin itself is quite thin as well. It's quite yummy.
This store only fishy, not use flour. So it is very tasty, very good, and very healthy. Very ing is very hard. How many years? It's 600g, 500g이에요. 가격이 600g. 100g, 5,000.
So we finished off at the market now, and now we're at the cooking studio where we get to prepare some like local Korean dishes. And I think some of the food that we bought from the market will also be using this. I think today we'll be making like seafood pancake, Japchae, the ginseng chicken soup. I can't remember, but yeah, we'll be making it soon. And this is a little cooking studio.
Chicken soup, and this is for jjajangmyeon. This is some jjajang sauce. A lot of people know, a lot of people think jjajangmyeon uses soy sauce, but it's not soy sauce. If you want to taste, you can try. Yes. And this is rice cake, spicy fried rice cake. This is for bulgogi. And this is for seafood pancake. There's seafood and seafood together. And this is for japchae. Okay, we will go first. We will make the Samgyetang. Here, one. Yes, and this mung bean and glutinous noodle soak 2 hours because it is not soaked. Then when you cook together, it's not enough to cook. So it is important. 2 hours, about 2 hours. So 1 hour more than is okay. But it's not too many volume. It is okay. But if this volume, about 1 hour or 2 hours.
What's this? Is it like a date?
Like the Jjajangmyeon, I guess.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And first put the water in like 200 water, 1 chicken. 2 chicken, 205, 2.5 liter. Here. Just like here. Yes. Yes. Onion juice.
You can mix together?
Not yet. Because we have soy sauce, 100 gram beef or pork, 100 meat, 1 spoon. So it is about 400 gram. Yeah, about
4 spoons.
Yes. Yes, very good spoon too. And 1 crushed garlic. This is crushed garlic. Suani. Yes, 1 spoon. Yes, and this is some sugar. Some sugar. Just sugar. And half teaspoon sesame oil. Where did you see? She's in the bread. Half a spoon. Okay, mix together. When you make bulgogi, at least 2 hours in the refrigerator, keep the refrigerator. Remove the head and set it together, put here. Yes, you can press it. No oil, because also this food has a lot of fat. So I don't want to use oil. This is noodles. Okay, here. One, two. One spoon. Meat. Sesame seed.
So here we have the bulgogi, and then we have the kimbap, then the ginseng chicken soup, and you can see the mung beans on top, and then the Korean seafood pancake. And then we have the spicy rice cake tteokbokki. Then we have some like lettuce and mince to wrap the meat up, the bulgogi again, and the meat for the Jjajangmyeon, which we'll add with noodles later. The dishes are really yummy, and I didn't previously realize how simple some of these dishes were. It was a lovely experience being able to immerse ourselves in Korea's foodie culture, so thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed.